Hi there, and welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through how to set up check-in and check-out times in your property management system. Let's dive right in. First, log into your PMS dashboard. Now navigate to the Settings section. Once there, click on Front Office Setup. On the next page, look for the Check-in, Check-out Setup option and click on it. Here, you'll be able to set your standard check-in and check-out times. If your property offers 24/7 check-in, simply toggle the switch on. Otherwise, you can manually set your preferred check-in and check-out times. For this example, we'll set the check-in time to 12 p.m. and the check-out time to 11 a.m. You'll also find additional toggles to enable features like early check-in detection, late check-out detection, pending check-ins, and pending check-outs. If you'd like the system to track these, go ahead and toggle them on. Once everything's set the way you want, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully configured your check-in and check-out times in the PMS. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to help. Be sure to check the description below for more tutorials and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.